Here is the Metal Clad Pro range from Click, part of Scolmore Group, premium, tough wiring accessories built to last. The range is designed for heavy-duty use. The back boxes and plates are electrophoretically coated for high wear and tear, perfect for industrial, commercial or high-use residential areas. The range comes in polar white, metal clad grey or matte black, giving designers and installers real choice. And what's better, it comes with a 20-year warranty, backing up the fact that these are really built to last. Sockets in the range have 3-pin safety shutters for added protection, and where needed, we also have LED indicators replacing the need for old neon versions. Metal Clad Pro supports custom configuration as it's compatible with the mini grid range, and we've also thought in detail about some of the other things such as vertical fuse trays on the FCUs, angled wiring for easier installations and better ventilation.